The Uniden IGO Cam 60 captures and records the action in high-quality 2K video, so you can see exactly what has happened in any incident. A 2.7-inch LCD colour screen for playback and menu setup means you'll see every detail. An ultra-wide view 150-degree lens adds to the field of vision available and provides an even greater chance of catching all the action. A GPS antenna inside the mount enables geotagging, recording the location and speed of the vehicle, and a large speedo display for quick and easy reading of the current speed with minimum driver distraction means you're always aware of the speed being travelled. Built-in speed and red light camera warnings alert you to any upcoming fixed speed or red light cameras, and a lane departure warning gives a visual and audio alert when the vehicle drifts over lane markings. This lane departure warning system has been designed to prompt long journey motorists and drivers prone to fatigue, such as truck drivers, to take adequate breaks and avoid mishaps. A headlight low lux sensor detects low external lighting conditions and alerts the driver to turn on the headlights. If you get too close to the vehicle in front of you, a built-in advanced driver assistance system in the IGO Cam 60 alerts you of a potentially dangerous situation, so that you can take action and back off to keep yourself at a safe distance. Capture the facts, not an opinion, and give yourself peace of mind with the IGO Cam 60 in-car dashcam from Uniden, leaders in in-car smart technology.